Good day again, good people of the South, my beautiful black people. I hope you all good. I made a video on Saturday, and it was in regards to the warlord passing away. And I received backlash from black people. It wasn't white people that attacked me. People who were questioning, why am I saying this now? If I had seen Gacha, and calling me all sorts of names and insulting me literally. But I'm a black person, born and bred in this country, brought up in a township. I come from a corner house, by the way, in Alex. I had witnessed the atrocity committed against black people by Ingad. I lived throughout the 70s, throughout the 80s, and the 90s to this day. And I witnessed everything. I would be an ignorant black person if I had looked the other way and not being knowledgeable with politics and the daily happenings and occurrences and the treatment towards black people. People are criticizing me and attacking me for why am I speaking about the so-called saint Gacha. It is the same person who in 2021, during those uprisings, who stood boldly in defense and in praise of the monsters of Phoenix, the monsters who butchered black people in broad daylight, the monsters who saw reason to kill people who have no history of arrival in their country. By the way, those people that were killed, that were murdered in Phoenix, are black people who were servicing those people with a history of arrival in our country. They were attacked and killed brutally, innocently, and unarmed. And that incident alone was a reminder of the treatment that us black people received during the times of apartheid to this day, at the hands of people who think that by wearing a different skin tone and different hair texture from ours are better by virtue of them having sharp noses. We should remember that during the times of apartheid, we had 3 houses. All these 3 houses, it was houses of representatives, the one for whites, and the house of delegates. All these people's interests were defended and covered. The likes of Bogacha came in as puppets to white people, and they were leaders of homelands, tribalists who defended their own people in the geographical areas where they came from. Gacha stood for interest of a few, and he thought that he was better than other people. So was Mangope, so was Mpepu, so was Liabua, so were the other ones, in the rest of them in the TVBC areas. And ignoramuses today are questioning if I had seen this guy attack people. Really? If you had lived in my times, where I come from, you would have known what Inkatha was all about. Inkatha was never a lover of black people. It was never. It was out to attack. It was out to destroy it. And there's evidence. If you need to question this more, check the archives. Visit the archives. Check on YouTube the videos. Speak to people who are knowledgeable. I will always as old as I am, learn from my people. Those with knowledge, I will drink from their cup. Those without knowledge, I will help with a little bit of education that I have as a kindergarten dropout, by the way, because people are questioning, awufundanga. Really? Really? Will it change the size of bread? I happen to have been a kindergarten dropout who knows her ABCs. I come from a township, by the way, and I told you. So, my people, I'm saying to you, YouTube and TikTok took down the video that I did yesterday, where I was telling people that, honestly, they can choke on what I said. I still reiterate, I am not going to be an apologist for a tribalist of note who thrived by killing our people. His leadership was toxic. He passed in people into areas where black people are in hostels, and he made those people who think that they are superior than other people to look down on others. You either be killed, raped, attacked in any way by Ingad. So if you are yet to live and experience the wrath that came with that nonsense, honestly, I couldn't give a damn. I will always take the sides of my people, which is the side of black people, which is the side of the truth. I wouldn't give a damn about Gacha. Given another chance, I would still say he must rot in hell.